Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 3a and question number 7 of this exercise. In the last video, we solved question number 6. This question has 3 parts. The question says expand each of the following expression. So we are having 2 brackets in each question. We have to expand these 2 brackets and reach to the final answer. So let's start solving all the questions. This is part A of this question. It says a plus 1 and a minus 9. There are 2 brackets. So we have solved these types of questions before also in the same exercise, but they're on a bit higher level. So now first we are going to expand this first bracket. Means a we are going to use with this bracket and then 1 with the same bracket again. Means like this. See. So first we are going to write a and this bracket a minus 9. Then we are going to write 1 plus 1 and the same bracket a minus 9. We have expanded half of our question. Now we are going to then expand the rest of the part of this question. So now we are going to do the same way as we have done in the previous questions also. We are going to expand the brackets. A multiplied by a is a square and a multiplied by 9 is 9a. The sign would be minus 9a. Now we are going to write a plus, the plus sign, and everything is going to remain same. 1 a is a and 1 9 is a 9. Minus plus minus and 1 9 is a 9. Then now we are going to take the common, but we are having only one common over here, 9a plus a. A square has not any other common and 9 does not have any common. So we are going to only solve these. So 9a plus a, if we are having a single variable, so it is considered as 1. So 9a plus a, so it is minus 9. Minus plus is minus. 9a minus a would be 8a. 2a square minus 8a minus 9 is the final answer. As we are not having any common, so this would be the final answer to this question. Now let's move towards part B. Now this is part B of this question. So we are going to do the same as we have done in the first part. We are going to expand the first bracket. So B, this bracket is going to come with this again. B plus 7. Then we are having minus 2 and the same bracket again. Now we are going to expand the bracket. B multiplied by b would be b square and b multiplied by 7 would be 7b and the sign would be plus 7b. Now we are having the same sign, that is minus, and 2 multiplied by b is 2b. Sign would be minus because minus plus is minus. 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. So again we are having only one common, that is 7b and 2b. So b square does not have any common and 14 does not have any common in it. So we are just going to solve these two. Means plus 7 minus 2b. Plus minus is minus. 7 minus 2, 7b minus 2b is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. So b square will be as it is plus 5b after subtracting and minus 14. This is the final answer as now we are not having any common in it. Now let's solve part C of this question. It's also the same. So we're going to write C, this bracket as it is, C minus 6. Then we're going to write minus 5. And the same bracket C minus 6 again. Now we're going to open the brackets. C multiplied by C is C square. C multiplied by 6 is minus 6C. Now we are going to write minus 5 multiplied by C would be minus 5C. And minus is minus plus. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. Now we are not having we are only having one common, 6C and 5C. C square does not have any common, and 30 also. So minus 6C minus 5C means we are going to add these. Minus is plus. So 6 plus 5 is 11, and we are having minus 6. So we are going to write 6C square minus 11C, as we are adding a negative value in it, and 30. This is the final value, as we are not having any other common in the question. Now let's move to part D. So this is part D. It's also the same, but with a different type of question. So 3D would be outside, and this bracket will be over here. 5 minus 2D. Now plus 1. 5 minus 2D. So now we are going to open the brackets. So 3D multiplied by 5 is 15D. Sorry. Now the sign would be minus. 3D multiplied by 2D is 6D square, as we are having both sides D, so 6D square, plus 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. Oh yes, it's 5, and plus minus is minus, the sign would be same. 1 multiplied by 2D would be 2D. Now we are going to check the common. So we are having only one common as 15D and 2D. 6D square and 5, we don't have any common in the question. So we are going to bring the commons together, means minus 6D square will be shifted over here. And then 15 plus 15 it is, as it is in a positive number, so plus 15D would be here. Now minus 2D would be shifted over here, and plus 5 at the end. Now we can solve both the commons. So 15 plus 15D minus 2D, plus minus is minus. 15 minus 2 would be 13, that is minus 6D square. Sign would be plus. After subtraction, the value is 13D plus 5. So this was part D. So this is part E of this question. We are going to do as same as we have done in the previous parts. 1 and 7F plus 6. Now F minus F, 7F plus 6. So 1 multiplied by f, 7f is 7f plus 1 multiplied by 6 is 6 minus, okay, so minus, and f multiplied by 7f is 7f square. Now 7 f multiplied by 6 would be 6f minus s minus plus is minus 6f. Now we are going to check the commons. So 7f and 6f are common, and 6 and 7f square does not have any common in it. So we are just going to cancel out these. That means 7f minus 6f, 7 minus 6, 7 is in positive, 7 minus 6 is 1. So this is going to write 1f and minus 7f square plus 6. We can do it in an extra step, but if you don't want, so that's on yours, but we can do without any additional step. We can just subtract them and then write the final answer. This is part E. So this is part F of this question, the last part. We are going to follow the same format. So it's 4 and the last bracket, that is 10 minus 9h, then 3h minus 3h, and the bracket again 10 minus 9h. So the question is now in the first three parts we have seen the questions were a bit easy, but the format is same in the whole process in all parts, but the figures are a bit changed. So we are going to solve the both brackets. 4 multiplied by 10 is 40, and then 4 multiplied by 9, the sign is minus, and 4 multiplied by 9 is 36h, minus 3h multiplied by 10 is 30h, minus minus is plus, 3h multiplied by 9h is 27h square, because we are having on both sides h, so 27h square. Now for 40 minus 36h, so we are not having any, we are having commons, means 36h and 30h are both common, and 40 and 27h square does not have any common in it, so just one common. So 30 minus 36h minus 30h, so the numbers are in negative, but we have to plus, we have to add them. Plus minus minus is plus, so 36 plus 30, it's 66. As we have added a negative value, so the answer is in negative 66h, and the last value plus 27h square. This is the final answer of the last part of this question. So I hope you like today's video. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.